Hi everybody, it's Kate from Sweet as Candy. Today we are going to go through how to make your DIY delivery bath bombs. We have a little gift box bath bomb, which is very cute, that you can paint however you like. And we also have a round bath bomb that you can use your creative energy to create it however you would like as well. So kind of like an ornament and a gift, perfect for Christmas. So I'm going to start from the top and show you what you get in your DIY delivery box, and then we're gonna make. Let's get to it. Okay, so here is what you get in your DIY delivery bath bomb kit. You get baking soda, citric acid, you also get a round mold, 2 halves, like that, a gift mold, you also get gloves. Your gloves may look different than these ones, that's okay. Also, we're gonna get your bath bomb paint, cornstarch and Epsom salts, a paintbrush, and this is your oils, your peppermint, vanilla fragrance oil, and your safflower oil, what you put into your dry stuff. And you also get a DIY bath bomb card. So you have the instructions readily available right here. Okay, so I've taken everything that I need out of the box except for the paint and the paintbrush. We don't need those yet. So open up your bags of the dry ingredients. So I have baking soda here. Make sure you don't put your face too close to the bowl because of the powder, the dust. Citric acid, pour it in there. And then also do your cornstarch and your Epsom salts. Like that. Get it all out of there. And then you're also going to take your oil, your safflower oil and your fragrance oil, and you're also going to dump it in there, like that. Okay, get everything out. Now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna mix it. Mix it with your hand. Just until you get everything incorporated there. Take your water bottle, and I want you to spray it. Spray the mix. Make sure you don't add too much water because the more water you add, the more you could activate the mix. So you just want it to kind of start feeling like kinetic sand, kind of like that kind of a squishy feeling. But I'll show you what you're looking for. Hold on. Okay, so this consistency seems pretty good to me. What you want to make sure is when you push your mix together in your hand, it stays intact. Okay, so we're going to get started and we're going to start making bath bombs. So what I want you to do is fill up each of the round molds. So they're kind of like overfilling. Do you see how they're just kind of like just full to the look of the eye? There, and then you're gonna press it together, okay? So something that is very, very important to use is a spoon. Just a big spoon from your cutlery drawer. And you're gonna just tap it. So that releases the air. Okay, and then you're gonna take off one, and you take off the other, and there you go. So you have one bath bomb, one ornament bath bomb. Gonna put it down on your piece of paper or your pan that you have, and you're just gonna keep on going. So let's try the gift next. This one is a little bit tricky, so it might take some trial and error, which is totally okay. So what I want you to do, fill up some of the mold, press that down really, really, really firm, okay? Because we want a strong foundation, especially with the detail of the bow. So I'm gonna do that. Just keep pressing down. Your thumbs are your best friend when it comes to vacuum molds. Just keep pressing. Make sure that is nice and smooth, nice and flat. See, like that? Perfect. So now what we're gonna do is turn it down, turn it upside down. Okay, so one trick that I found when working with these molds is if you gotta almost kind of pinch the corners to release it, just so it's an easier release. So take your spoon too, tap, 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 tap. Okay, and if they don't work right away, it's totally okay. You can start again. But luckily, this one worked perfect. So essentially, you're just going to keep on making bath bombs until all of your mix is gone. So I've completed my bowl of mix, and I got 3 gifts and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 round balls. So that's pretty good. You can choose however many you want to do. If you wanted to do 4 gifts and less round ones, totally okay. And I also want to mention too, if you need to spritz your mix more throughout, definitely use the water. Remember, less is always more. So we're gonna let these sit for about half an hour or so, just to make them dry. Make sure that they're dry, sorry. And then we're gonna paint. So it's been about a half an hour, and now what you're gonna do is you're gonna open up your paint pots. Okay, and a really good and easy way to mix them is using the back of your paintbrush. So you're just gonna really get that color going. You're gonna mix them all. See that nice shimmer? Like that. Okay, so now what you're gonna do is basically go to town and paint them however you want. So you could do a ribbon the exact same color or different colors, rainbow colors. This is completely up to you. Maybe do some hearts, maybe some squiggle lines. Okay, so there you have it. We have made all of our bath bombs, we painted them, now you get to use them. We would love to see what you have created with the kit. Please make sure to tag myself, Sweet as Candy Bath, on Instagram, as well as Pinnovate, YYC. We just love to see what you guys come up with, and yeah, enjoy your little gift bombs. Okay, bye everybody, thank you.